What if I could just hand you years of experience as a marketing strategist and a chief marketing officer and give you the exact process that I've used to fix the broken marketing of countless businesses across several different industries? I've taken my proven 5-step process, which I call P5, and put it into 200 pages of my secret sauce. This book will teach you how to avoid critical marketing mistakes, how to identify your fans, how to get into the minds of your customer and create a connection, how to be found, known, trusted, purchased, and talked about. And I've backed it up with real-world examples so you can see the step-by-step process and how it comes together for each business that I mentioned in the book. I'm on a mission to change the way people think about marketing, and I've written this book to support that mission. That's why I'm excited to be able to offer you this Amazon bestseller for free as a download. So don't miss this opportunity to stay ahead of your competition. Click the link, grab the book, and stop guessing about your marketing.